Imagine the thrill of soaring through the skies and skimming across glistening waters in a plane you built with your own hands. Home-built amphibious planes are the ultimate expression of personal aviation, merging the excitement of flight with the freedom to touch down on both water and land. These aircraft embody the spirit of innovation, allowing dreamers to bring their vision to life through a perfect blend of precision, engineering, and creative passion. From exploring serene lakes and remote islands to navigating bustling airstrips, these planes redefine adventure and independence. With that inspiration in mind, here are 10 of the most amazing home-built amphibious planes. Atoll 650 LSA. The Atoll 650 light sport aircraft, produced by Atoll Aviation, is an amphibious seaplane designed to operate on water, land, and snow. This two-seat kit aircraft designed for home builders features a wood composite structure and is available in both ultralight and light sport versions. The Atoll 650 is based on Atoll's ultralight experimental aircraft model, incorporating modern wood composite materials for a lighter design approximately 100 kilograms less than other LSAs on the market, making it ideal for both home builders and pre-built kit options. Equipped with conventional retractable landing gear for smooth transitions between land and water, the Atoll 650 also includes an auxiliary nose wheel to assist with beach landings on steep shores. An optional Atoll water taxiing system can enhance maneuverability on the water. The aircraft has a takeoff distance of 1,476 feet from water, a cruising speed of 110 miles per hour, and a range of 470 miles. Super Petrel. The Super Petrel LS is an amphibious home-built biplane known for its low-wing flight qualities, typical cruise speed of an upper-wing design, and ease of flying. Built with a robust structure, it offers excellent corrosion resistance and systems simplicity. Powered by a Rotax 912 IS engine with a digital cockpit, the Super Petrel LS traces its origins to the Tisserand hydroplane, a single-seat, wooden amphibious kit aircraft that first flew in 1983, followed by a two-seat variant with a Rotax 532 engine. With over 2 decades of continuous improvements and more than 400 aircraft flying worldwide, the Super Petrel LS is a proven model. It delivers smooth, forgiving stalls, exceptional stability and comfort, with remarkable short takeoff and landing distances on both land and water. The aircraft also provides precise, slow-speed handling and stable crosswind landings. Seawind. The Seawind is a series of 4-seat composite amphibious airplanes, each equipped with a distinctive tail-mounted engine. Initially offered as kits for home builders, the Seawind is celebrated as the fastest single-engine amphibious aircraft in its class. Its unique design features an engine pod that extends forward from the leading edge of a large vertical fin, creating a standout profile. With a long, low profile and sleek, flowing curves, the Seawind benefits from composite construction for both durability and aerodynamic efficiency. Its tail-mounted engine, positioned above and behind the cabin, provides a relatively quiet experience for occupants, as the exhaust is directed upward and to the rear. Capable of taking off and landing on both water and land, the Seawind's high maximum speed and versatile design have earned it a distinguished place among amphibious aircraft. Anderson Kingfisher. The Anderson EA-1 Kingfisher is a 2-seat amphibious aircraft designed and marketed for home building in the United States. Developed by Earl William Anderson, a Pan Am airline captain, the prototype flew for the first time on April 24, 1969. The Kingfisher features a shoulder-wing monoplane design, with a flying boat hull and outrigger pontoons for water operations. On land, it utilizes a retractable tailwheel undercarriage. The aircraft is powered by a single engine with a tractor propeller mounted in a nacelle above the wing. Some builders opt to use wings from a Piper Cub instead of constructing their own, adding flexibility to the design. The EA-1 Kingfisher has become a popular choice for home builders seeking an amphibious aircraft with solid performance and versatility. Lisa Akoya. The Lisa Akoya is a French single-engine light aircraft designed to seat 2 passengers in a side-by-side configuration. This innovative amphibious aircraft is capable of landing on land, water, or snow without any modifications. One of its standout features is its high aspect ratio wing, which folds electrically for easy transportation. Instead of traditional flaps, the Akoya uses trailing edge extensions to manage lift and control. The aircraft is powered by a rear-mounted, high-positioned engine in a tractor configuration, mounted atop the fin. The Lisa Akoya is constructed entirely from carbon fiber reinforced polymer composites, making it lightweight yet durable. Its folding wing design allows it to rotate nearly 90 degrees horizontally, making it compact for storage and transport. Named after the Akoya pearl oyster, the aircraft exemplifies innovation in design, with its versatility to operate across different terrains and its modern composite construction. Taylor Coot. The Taylor Coot is a 2-seat home-built amphibious aircraft created by Moulton Taylor, renowned for his innovative flying car designs. After a commercial market failed to materialize for the Aerocar, Taylor shifted focus to more conventional aircraft, leading to the development of the Coot. Despite being more traditional, the Coot stood out with its low-wing design, a rarity among seaplanes and flying boats, which typically have high wings to keep them clear of the water. Taylor ingeniously designed the Coot's wing roots to act as sponsons, providing stability on the water without needing wingtip floats, which would add drag and weight. This setup not only reduced drag, but also allowed the aircraft to benefit from ground effect during takeoff, improving performance. Since its first flight in 1969, the Coot has become a popular choice among home builders, with approximately 100 examples completed. Quicket Glass Goose. The Quicket Glass Goose is an American 2-seat, amphibious biplane designed by Tom Scott and marketed for home building by Quicket, based in Dallas, Texas. This aircraft is an evolution of the earlier Seahawker, which Gary Laguerre designed in 1982 and originally marketed through his company, Aero-Gare, as the Seahawk, later renamed the Seahawker. After changing hands several times, the rights to the design eventually went to Aero Composite Technologies before being further developed as the Glass Goose. The Glass Goose features a distinctive cantilever biplane layout without interplane struts, giving it a streamlined profile. It has a fully enclosed side-by-side seating arrangement under a bubble canopy, providing excellent visibility. With retractable tricycle landing gear and a single engine in a pusher configuration, the Glass Goose is well suited for both water and land operations, making it a versatile choice for amateur builders. Vollmer VJ-22 Sportsman. The Vollmer VJ-22 Sportsman is an American-designed, home-built amphibious aircraft offering 2 seats in a high-wing monoplane configuration. Constructed primarily from wood and fabric, over 100 Sportsman aircraft have been built. The VJ-22 incorporates wings from an Aeronca Champion or Chief, paired with a custom-designed mahogany plywood flying boat hull, reinforced and waterproofed with fiberglass cloth. Typically powered by a pusher engine in the 85 to 100 horsepower range, the engine is mounted on pylons above the wing's center section. Some builders have opted for a tractor configuration, with engines up to 135 horsepower successfully used. The aircraft features a retractable tailwheel undercarriage for land operations. Inside the enclosed cockpit, the pilot and passengers sit side by side with dual controls, making the VJ-22 both practical and versatile for amphibious flying. Thurston Teal. The Thurston Teal is a family of all-aluminum amphibious aircraft available in 2-seat and 4-seat configurations, designed by David Thurston in the United States. The Teal features a high-wing design with tip floats for added lateral stability, along with a horizontally opposed engine mounted in a tractor configuration on a strut-supported pylon above the wing root. The aircraft is equipped with a T-tail, that includes a water rudder and a tail wheel, which swings up against the bottom of the rudder for water operations. The Teal uses a conventional undercarriage with flat, spring steel main gear legs that rotate aft for water landings. The pilot and passenger sit side by side under a clear perspex canopy, with side windows that slide up into opening overhead windows for ventilation. One unique feature of the Teal design is that it cruises slightly faster with the landing gear extended rather than retracted. The gear does not retract fully. Instead, it swings rearward until it is horizontal and clear of the water. This design results in less drag when the landing gear is down, making the extended configuration more aerodynamically efficient for cruising than having the gear retracted. Osprey Osprey II. The Osprey Osprey II, also known as the Pereira Osprey II after its designer, is an amphibious sport aircraft specifically designed for home building. Available since the mid-1970s, the Osprey II is a mid-wing cantilever monoplane featuring a flying boat hull and a single engine mounted in a pusher configuration, positioned above the fuselage on struts. The cabin offers side-by-side seating for the pilot and one passenger, with a fully enclosed design for added comfort. Equipped with a retractable tricycle undercarriage, the Osprey II can operate on land and water, with the main gear folding neatly into the undersides of the wings. Constructed primarily of wood with a plywood skin, this aircraft is designed to be built in limited workspace, making it accessible to amateur builders. Unlike kit-based aircraft, Osprey offers the Osprey II exclusively as a set of plans, with over 1,000 sets sold.